In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple images in a single row in Card. If you've ever wanted a clean, side-by-side gallery on your Card site, this walkthrough will show you the exact clicks to make it happen. Start by opening your browser and going to carta.co. From there, choose Open Dashboard and select the project you want to edit. This will take you into the builder where we'll set up the structure that keeps your images aligned in a single row. Next, add a new element by choosing Add, then select Container. In the container settings, open the container type dropdown and switch it to columns. This turns the container into a row-based layout. If you need more than 2 images, add additional columns now using the Add option in the container panel. A good rule of thumb is 1 column per image. When that looks right, click Done to place the columns container on your canvas. Now let's bring in the first image. Click Add, choose Image, and then Upload to select your file. Use the crop frame to focus on the important part of your image. Tight crops with consistent aspect ratios usually look best in a row. Click Accept to confirm. Back on the canvas, drag the image into the container you created, dropping it into the first column. You'll see it snap into place. Repeat the process for the second image. Click Add, choose Image, then Upload to select your next file. Adjust the crop frame so it matches the style of the first image, and click Accept. Drag this image into the container as well, placing it in the next column so it sits side by side with the first. Card keeps columns evenly spaced by default, which makes alignment simple and clean. When both images are in place, click Done to confirm your edits to the container and images. At this point, you have multiple images arranged in a single row. On smaller screens, Card will automatically stack columns for readability, so your layout stays responsive without extra work. If you want tighter visual consistency, try using images with the same dimensions or aspect ratios. Also, keep file sizes modest so your page loads quickly. That's it, your images are now neatly lined up in one row in Card, using a columns container for a flexible, responsive layout. Thanks for watching.